Hey everyone, my name is Des and I am super excited to be supporting a black owned business, Dawning Day Creations. It just so happens that I know the owner, Lucretia, and she is absolutely amazing and I'm super excited. As you can see, I'm in the car line at school, but I could not wait to open up this box because I have been anticipating all of the great things that I ordered. So I'm just going to crack this open. I've already taken off the tape and all that good stuff. So I ordered a couple things. One thing I love about getting orders from Dawning Day Creations, she always, and I do mean always, provides you a nice handwritten note and some sentiments on your receipt. So just want to show you that. I'm not going to read it to y'all. It's not your business. Nope. Yeah, so I'll read that in a second. But I did order some of the African net sponges. Is that the right name? African bath sponges. And I ordered one for everyone in my family. So I have 5 of these. I have it in purple. And I have it in the yellow as well. My daughter and I like purple, so I did that for us. And I actually have 2 reds because my daughter also likes red. So she's going to fight me between the red and the purple. And one of my sons loves red as well. It's probably going to end up being she gets a red, my son gets a red, my husband and I get purple, and the other son gets yellow. Whatever. Anyway, we got 5 of them, right? So I'm going to sit this over here. And then we have some of the African black soap bar unscented. Super excited about that. Can you guys see that? Yep, got that. Yep, perfect. So we got a couple of those because, again, it's 5 of us in the house. And so I just want to make sure that we're all, following the process and ensuring that our skin is nice and healthy. And then my daughter and I, we got some of the turmeric herbal soap for our faces. Of course, you guys got to do your own research. Go to her website. She has a plethora of information on all of these products. I don't want to belabor this video, but I'm super excited about all of the products. That's not all. Okay. So I have some of the African Shea Butter, and it is the white kind because I contacted her. This is the beauty about, getting something from someone who's so knowledgeable about their products. I contacted her and I said, hey, these are the problems we're having. My sons are suffering, and myself, from eczema. My daughter, she's in college and she's getting rid of some blemishes in her face. We went to the dermatologist. We did all the chemical stuff. What can we do to get to the next step? And these are the recommendations she provided. In addition to that, we also received the raw turmeric shea butter. So we're excited about using that. And of course, I got another African shea because it's 5 of us in the house. So clearly, I just want to make sure everybody has their own little situation going on because I'm not sharing. So thank you so much, Lucretia and Dawning Day Creations. I'm super excited. I will give you guys a review after maybe 30 days of using the products to see how everything is going with our eczema and my daughter's little small blemishes that she still has in her face. And yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. Until then, make sure you head over to her website, Dawning Day Creations, on Instagram, Facebook, social media, and give her a shout out. I'm a little ashy, okay? You see that? A little ash on the elbows. So I'm going to use some of this white, I gotta hurry up, the car line is going to move. African Shea Butter, the one when I showed you a minute ago. Watch what happens. Watch this, guys. Oh my God, this is the real deal, y'all. I didn't even need that much. Like, what was I thinking? I know what I was thinking. I thought I was using something from the store. Okay, y'all see that? Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Oh, that's amazing. Look at that glow. Super excited. Y'all, this is real. I'm telling you, I've used shea butter from the beauty supply store before. Don't laugh. You have too, okay? But this, y'all, this is it. This is it. Look at the difference. Look at these ash. Look at this ash over here versus this glow. Okay, ash, glow. Okay?